Alan Shedd with Touchstone Energy. And I don't know much about laundry, but I know a few things about saving energy. And I'm going to talk about some tips in the laundry room to save money and energy. A simple thing you can do is wash clothes in cold water. Most washing machines have a cold water setting. Simple to do. The dryer. Some dryers have a moisture meter. It actually measures how much moisture is in the clothes and only runs as long as it needs to dry the clothes. Don't over dry the clothes. You're just throwing money away and not helping your clothes either. Also important, check the lint filter in the dryer. Clean it before you run the clothes. It helps the dryer run more efficiently, saves energy, saves money. For more energy saving tips, go to togetherwesave.com.